Mobile Door Ding Repair Services offer Houston drivers a fast, convenient, and cost-effective solution for maintaining their vehicles. Instead of driving to a traditional body shop, mobile technicians travel directly to the customer's home, workplace, or any preferred location ideal for busy professionals and families. These services rely on Paintless Dent Repair (PDRA) technique that removes dents without sanding, fillers, or repainting. Repairs are typically completed in under an hour, with no waiting for paint to dry, allowing vehicles to be restored the same day. Mobile repair is also more affordable than conventional shops because it eliminates overhead expenses and material costs. Clear upfront pricing prevents hidden fees, and quick repairs help drivers avoid long-term issues like rust, paint damage, and reduced resale value. This makes Mobile Dent Repair especially beneficial for lease returns and used car sellers who want to avoid extra charges or price reductions. Quality is not sacrificed. Technicians use advanced PDR tools and follow OEM standards to preserve the factory finish and protect warranty integrity. Their expertise with Houston-specific conditions, including hail and weather-related damage, ensures effective localized service. Customers are encouraged to choose certified, insured technicians with strong reviews to ensure reliable results. Additional benefits include eco-friendly processes, minimal disruption, quick turnaround, and citywide availability. Mobile Door Ding Repair offers a fast, convenient, and affordable way to keep your car looking great. A perfect solution for anyone navigating Houston's busy lifestyle. If you need famous dent repair done, call Kevin at 832-275-4374. That's 832-275-4374. Or send email at kevin@DentWerx Paintless Dent Repair.com.